back to my channel and loud motorcycles. Today we're doing 5 things that I love about this Subaru WRX STI, followed by 5 things that I hate on the next video. So very simple, I just finished a review on this and I hope you guys enjoyed that review. That's a full review of mine. I got about 15 to 20 reviews on my channel now. I will make a review section, so if you just want to watch the reviews that I do, I've gotten a lot of good feedback from you guys, so thank you so much. Again, this is a 431 horsepower, 6-speed, well I guess they're all manuals, Subaru WRX STI 2013 with a full build, full engine. All the link stuff is going to be below on this. I'm going to give you guys a review of 5 things that I love about this car. It's pretty simple, it's pretty easy. Let's go ahead and jump into it. So, number 1 is practicality. This thing is practical. This is like a JDM Model X. It is a lot of room, very usable, very dailyable, very comfortable for just room. It is not a small, compact car. It is large, a lot of headroom. If you're a tall guy like me, lots of headroom. It does have 4 doors, which I currently don't own any car that has 4 doors anymore. So you can put you know, your girl, your boy, whatever you want, you can put it up front. And then 2 very, very comfortable back seats as well. You can technically fit 3 people, but you're probably only gonna want to put 2. Very comfortable as well. I actually did sit in these seats. They're very comfortable as well, and lots of leg room. So it is very practical. So number reason I love it is the practicality. And then really honestly, let's check this out right here. Look at this. Look how nice that is. Oh my gosh, you put junk in your trunk with this car. So it's pretty cool. I love the practicality of this car. Yeah, this thing is just so practical. The Model X of JDM. So let's go ahead and put the hatch down. And I'm gonna tell you reason number two that I love this car. If you don't know, Subarus, they're very notorious for being one thing, in my opinion, all-wheel drive. This car is all-wheel drive. It is an all-wheel drive hatch. So it does things, it really puts the power down. I mean, it has a lot of horsepower, and even though this thing has 461 horsepower, when I was on the highway and giving it a pull, it felt planted. It felt like our 4 wheels are grabbing. You can take this car skiing, you can take it snowboarding. It feels really planted. So the all-wheel drive on these are good. This is I mean, the practicality with the big room of it, and then having it as an all-wheel drive, awesome. Very good job that it's an all-wheel drive. So huge, I mean it's huge, it's a big car. It can fit a lot of stuff. Sometimes I feel like the Evo is just as big as this. But yeah, number 1, definitely practicality. Number 2, all-wheel drive. I love all-wheel drive cars. In the winter, like I'm gonna need a new one, so I'll probably end up getting a truck. I could get another car like this, you know, a WRX, maybe not an STI. They are expensive. I love STIs, but they're expensive. People want them. The next thing, so reason number 3 is what we're on, is the manual. So, I didn't know this, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. All STIs come with manuals, and I really enjoy the manual transmission. The manual transmission is very good. I enjoy it. It goes into gear very quick. Oh man, and it's very short shifting on this car. And if you're, you know, going fast and you want to run through the gears, it will run through the gears very quick. I feel confident when when I'm in the gear that I want to be. It feels like I went into first. It feels like I went into third. So 1, just that it being a manual is awesome, and then 2, on this one, that the manual is really, really, really good. We got pretty realistic this thing, huge. We got the all-wheel drive. We got a manual. It's probably one of these cars that's made all these noises. Reason number 4 is the aftermarket scene for this car is not huge, it's just monstrous. There are so many aftermarket parts for this community, it's unreal. They've been making this setup for so long that you can get whatever you want, literally. And oh, you're going to say, well, you know, I want a piping. Well, which brand of piping do you want? You know, I want a sway bar. Which sway bar brand do you want? I want a catch can. What kind of catch can do you want? You know, there's just so many parts that you can get on here. It's truly amazing. Huge aftermarket brands and huge volume of everything. So it's a really big plus. If you're someone like me that likes to tune your car or change it, for a good example, the piping on this car is fantastic. It looks beautiful. I love the black intercooler. I just had a black intercooler on my Evo. There are some companies or some cars that you cannot get another intercooler. You only get what it comes with factory. You know, it has to be the top mount. It can't be the front mount. So the aftermarket scene is huge. Now, if you don't want to modify your car, that's okay. You can leave it stock. which some people do, but I'm telling you, if you just want to get a little bit more power, have a little bit more fun, there's a large aftermarket for this car. There really is. A lot of little things you can do to it. I mean, headlights, intercooler, you know, lips, fog lights, whatever, power things. There's just so many good aftermarket. So number 4, the entire aftermarket scene is just, I mean, just massive. So number 5, reason why I love this car, the car goes it's turboed. So let me go ahead and turn the car on and let you listen. Reason number 5, I love this car, it's a turbo. Come on, everyone likes turbos. When I was young, I wanted anything that had a turbo. I had a 1.8 liter naturally aspirated Toyota Celica as my first car, and I finally got it turboed. I had to get a turbo on it, but it took me like 3 or 4 years when I was younger to get the turbo on it. All I wanted was a turbo car that went and this one comes from factory that does that. So I mean, that's good. So let me go ahead and put you guys on the tripod and you guys can listen to this engine. All right, let's go ahead and start this Scooby up. Let's do it. Scooby-Doo. Like that, those are the 5 reasons why I love the 2013 Subaru WRX 431 horsepower. I do like this car, I enjoy it. If you own one, I'll give you a thumbs up on the highway. They sound cool, they're loud. This one's, I probably couldn't give you a thumbs up because it's too fast and you blow by me. True story, this thing is fast, this car is fast. 0 to 60 just hooks up on this car. Make sure to hit the like, subscribe, stay tuned. If you want to buy this exact car, swing by West State Motorsports. It is available. They just posted it for sale. It'll get a lot of hits on it. So if you want to get this one with this beautiful setup, act fast. Okay, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe. I will be back with 5 things that I hate about this car. See you guys then.